7-mile bike ride down PCH. Yeah, catching a vibe. Pull over, catch my breath. Take a sip of some cold alkaline. Had to readjust my...
What's up? Top of the top, everybody. We're back with the Prelude. Y'all know I've been having hella issues with this shit. And today what we're going to be doing is swapping out the fuel pump, which is inside the truck. New fuel pump is right here. It's in here. Never have I ever done a fuel pump job in my life, but it seems pretty simple, right? Where the fuel pump is in here, as you can see, I already took it apart or whatever. But problem is, I don't got the back keys. I don't got the keys to take off the rear seat. So I'm hoping that maybe we can just go ahead and take it out. Pretty much, it's a small space. I'm not gonna record myself as I'm doing it to make my life easier, but we're gonna remove these clips, slide them out, 1, 2, and then these bolts that hold in the fuel pump are 10 millimeters. They go all around. I believe it's 7 of them. Disconnect this. Of course, disconnect the wire. Disconnect your battery. But I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a job, and I'll pick it up as I go. Alright, finally got this shit taken off. So took off the 2 fuel lines, slid them out. It was such a bitch. Already took off the bolts, so now let's go ahead and take out the fuel pump. I should just slide straight up. There we go. Alright, y'all, so right here, it's the old fuel pump. And it looks kind of like Delphi technology. I don't know how old this shit is. But it should be fairly simple. I believe you disconnect this.
Had to readjust my beats. Press play. Listening to the orange print. On my financial freedom. Shit, you know what time it is. Shout out Larry June. I'm a real player shit. Everything that I do is real organic. Look, I'm just doing me, yeah. I'm just doing me, yeah. Focusing on my health now. Trying to get that wealth. Gotta put both together. Gotta elevate so high. Gotta switch up my frequencies again. Take it back to 2020 type of shit, yeah. I'm a deadly motherfucker. When I put my mind to this shit,
So motherfucking fuel pump is in. Everything's connected back. Fuel lines, power. So now, moment of truth. I am freaking nervous. Make sure we connect everything correctly. Let's prime the fuel. Definitely hear it. Alright. It's not the fuel pump, clearly. Switching lanes in my FKA, treating it like a EM1. Running nothing bands with my bitch. Really made the play with my bitch. Laid up at the penthouse suite. Manifested everything. Really went for my dreams. Laid up in the seat. Looking up at the stars. Yeah, I'm in a double R.